with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. I'm the Ramen Raider, and today I've got something from South Korea for the US market. This is from Emart. This is I'm E. Choice for you spicy ramen. I think it's this Saeng ramen. And let's see, noodles and seasoning and 3 minutes and 30 seconds. That's pretty straightforward. Emart itself is a big Korean grocery store chain, and they don't actually make these noodles, and I'm gonna bet these are samyang noodles because they've worked with them in the past for their private label stuff. But we shall see. Actually, we won't, because they don't say who does the private label for them on the packaging, but yeah, I'm pretty sure that's the deal. Because that noodle block certainly looks like the same thing you'd find in Bulldog and other stuff. Standard spicy ramen. Yeah. 3 minutes and 30 seconds on the hob, as they would say in England. And we're gonna turn that down so I don't get yelled at. But yeah, how's everybody doing? This is my second one I'm trying today. The third one I'm a little vexed about because, so 2 days ago we went to a couple Asian grocery stores in the area because I knew they'd have some neat stuff for Lunar New Year, which is today. Happy Year of the Tiger. And yeah, got a ton of neat Chinese varieties. The problem is they're very hard to decipher. So I don't want to bug all my friends who are fluent in Chinese right now because it's a big holiday. Holiday for them. They like get a whole week off. And most of them live in places where they do 6-day work weeks. So it's just like, I'm leaving y'all alone. You guys can have some relaxation. You deserve it. But yeah. It's always kind of a weird thing because most of the friends that I have over there, a good portion of them work for instant noodle companies, obviously. And it's like, I always feel slightly weird asking them about how to cook or prepare instant noodles from brands that aren't their own. They're always so nice and so helpful with help me how to figure that out. So that's cool at least. So yeah. Bubble bubble. Bubble 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 bubble. How much time I got left? Got a minute and a half. So yeah. Still kind of beat, but should be a good day. I hope. I'm hoping for a nice day. These noodles are cooking well. There's a lot of noodles in this too. Yes, sir. I'm gonna do something that's gonna make some of you like freak out, but probably not most of you. I am going to add an egg yolk and cheese. Gotta add the cheese. It says spicy ramen, but it's ramen. It is. It really is. That's like where it's at. Korean noodles tend to be a little bit thicker and fuller, with a little slightly bit more chew, usually more of a mushroom and spicy and beefy kind of hit, whereas Japanese stuff is more leaning towards pork. So I'm gonna kind of do both because I don't have any beef thawed out and ready to go. So you'll see what I do. You'll see. You'll see. Now we have 15 seconds, 12 seconds, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. There. Here's what you got. Whew. And it's hot. As my mother would say, well, you wouldn't want it cold, would you? No. Whew. Nice, sturdy ramen noodle. There's your broth. Oh, that's nice. Go sit down, there's hot stuff out here. Not listening this morning, ladies and gentlemen. You will have something to eat as soon as I'm done. I only have one more after this, and then you'll be good to go. Good to go, good to go. Yes, and then school. Yeah. I'm so happy my kids like to go to school. God, I hated it. Just wasn't a big fan. Alright, anyway. Yeah, this is a good one. I'm like really into this. Okay, so we're gonna do some kind of like a crossover. We're gonna use pork. Right there. Now here's the thing, I don't want to mess up my lens again, so I'm going to put this more this way. Ouch, my hand, ouch. And while it's still piping hot, I'm gonna slap a little bit of processed cheese on top. Right there. Can't forget that. Okay, and now, for the part that make some of you squeamish, but you know, I'm going to crack an egg. Where's my napkin? There it is. My paper towel that I lovingly call a napkin. Alright. Get the white off of there. Get the little hanger off of there. Come on. You're not? There we go. Little bit of mung bean sprout. Spring onion. know, I cut these things way too thin last time, so it's probably just gonna curl up, but for those, then a little bit of sesame seeds. And since it's spicy, I'm gonna add some niceness here. Where do we go? Here we are. Out of the kitchen. Good God, man. A little crushed red pepper. And there we are. And there is the Emart. My E. Or no, I'm E. I'm E. Alright, thanks for watching. The next one we'll have is another one from China. This is instant rice noodles by Baman, B-A-M-A-N. Yeah. I hope I figure out how to make this correctly. This is Manoj, the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.